What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are at Privates Volume 4 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. So we are currently running 2 hours late. I've had something to finish up first and they are literally only left home now, so it's almost 7. It's 5 to 7. Privates, the shoot started at 5, so yeah, I'm 2 hours late. And yeah, luckily it goes on until 9, but I just want to get there before the sun sets so I can get nice footage for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So yeah guys, we are here. Made it. We had such a fight to drop the car now because the ground is too soft, so the jack was yeah, the jack wasn't liquor stable, but we managed. And yeah, I'll show you guys some of the cars here, some fire over here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Here's Remy's BMW. Oh, and it's not dark, too dark, so I can still show you guys. My car's over here. Show you guys on the side because it's standing at the angle. There's fire. I like these wheels. Sick. Another static car. Lovely. Your Uno. Lovely. This thing's bagged. Sick. Just walk around here because there's so many photographers. I don't want to get in anyone's shot. How's it, alright man? Lekker, lekker. There's Corolla, bagged. I think he was in volume 3. Sick. So nice. I just want to catch the people before they leave. Check this dock, how clean the stock is. Lovely. Nice. There's a car made. Lekker. Lekker. Just walk through here. Lekker car, BMW. But it's sick. Sick. And then Vogan's plucky. Nice. Not dropped. Like a jazz. Nice. Ramones Conquest. Lekker. Solos are nice one. Solo looks sick. Lekker. Sick. So yeah guys, that's basically it. I think there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, maybe 20 cars here. Yeah, but it is private, so there aren't gonna be a ton of cars like a normal park-off. But so yeah guys, that's basically it. I know it was a quick one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nevertheless. So yeah, that's basically how this privates went. I'm obviously 2 hours late, 2.5 hours late, so some people have left already. Some people have left before I even got here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also let me know who of you guys are going to Camp Fest in March, the first week of March. Please just let me know down in the comments below, because I'm going and I'd like to see you guys there. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Thank you guys for always being there, always supporting, always liking, always commenting, those who do comment. But yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you. Please remember to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. Yeah, keep well, stay safe, and I hope to see you guys soon.